Good morning guys, so it's 4:30 a.m. in the morning and we are heading towards Lipchaka. So as you can see, no one is here out over here in the road. So let's see, let's go to the railway station and see what are the new challenges coming to us. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Rest, tada, bye bye. So guys, as you can see, we have reached to NGP station. So बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पर और हमारा ग्रुप भी मिलते हुए यहाँ। पहला हमारा दोस्त आते हुए अधिकारी, मिस्टर अधिकारी। और भाई कैसा है? भाई ने
We have reached New Alipurduar Junction.
And we are on our way to Lipchaka. Saptarshi Banik, say hi.
Hello.
Hey. Noor Nawaz, say hi. Mr. Bhagat. দেখতে পাচ্ছি না। Mr. Bhagat. Mr. Odhikari.
Hello.
Oh God. This is just the start. We have almost 7 kilometers to go. See you later.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Hello guys, after completing 2.5 kilometers, we have reached to the 0 point and now we are heading towards Lipchaka and the journey starts from here. Just see the route.
And it's 5.2 kilometers.
Just see the route.
Just small heads up, we have also done some trekking before.
Just see the routes. We are totally exhausted. So here's our guy, Mr. Banik. Here comes Mr. Noor Nawaz.
Merchant.
Here comes Mr. Adhikari. And we have our own, very own brother, RDD, Rishabh Das.
Hello guys. This is the view from 0 point.
It's my only
First view.
solution. Counting down what seems like hours, not enough. Let's go somewhere. I'm not looking
উদাসী মন্দায় পূর্ণিমা সন্ধ্যায় তোমার রজনীগন্ধায় রূপসাগরের পাড়ের পানে উদাসী মন্দায় তোমার প্রজাপতির পাখা আমার আকাশ চাওয়া মুগ্ধ চোখে রঙিন স্বপ্ন মাখা তোমার প্রজাপতির পাখা আমার আকাশ চাওয়া মুগ্ধ চোখে রঙিন স্বপ্ন মাখা তোমার চাঁদের আলো নীলায় আমার দুঃখ সুখের সকল অবসান ফাগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান আমার আপন হারা প্রাণ আমার বাঁধন ছেড়ে आँखों में नमी हंसी लबों पर आँखों में नमी
Hello guys.
Hello. What's up?
फेसबुक
Hello.
हाँ अब ये तो बनाया है, ये वाला पार्ट बनाया है उसकी के लिए।
कल्टीवेशन के लिए सोचते हैं कल्टीवेशन
फिर ये वाला पार्ट भी होगा और वहाँ पे जो है ना शिबू देख
We have spotted a new species of mountain monkey who wears a Rolex and পাঁচের মধ্যে দাঁত কেলায় ই করে
It's good, yeah, it's good, it's good.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope.
Hello guys, so we have completed our trip. So now we are heading towards the 0 point. From there we will take the Toto and we will head towards the Alipurduar junction. As you can see, New Alipurduar junction. Now you can see all the guys are really boosted up over here. And let's see what is the time we take in order to require over there. So let's meet in 0 point.
So guys, this is the Buxa Fort as you can see behind us, and as you can see it has people have created an artificial structure with bamboos out here because restoration is going on. So unfortunately in our this trip we did not get an entry to the Buxa Fort, but a historical fact that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was kept in prison in this fort for 5 days almost. So nobody knows out here exactly for how many days he was here, but ultimately after a few days he managed to escape, and that escape route is also mapped out in this Buxa Fort. So if fortunately next time we visit Lepchakha and we visit Buxa, we will be able to show how this from where to enter Buxa Fort. And so currently we are unfortunate that we could not enter the Buxa Fort, the restaurant, because of the restoration process. So no worries, next time we shall try to visit the insides of Buxa Fort.
So guys, as you have seen the detailing out over here, so this route was not over here. The route which the Britishers used to come, or which used to carry the prisoners out here, it's from that red and yellow gate. So now that has been totally been stopped. It has been restricted because due to the flood and everything, and now that place has been restricted, and now we tourists use some another route to go to the
Lepchaka village.
Lepchaka village, and people out over here do some camping and tenting. As you can see over there. So guys, let's see what new things we can show to you. Till then, tada bye bye. See ya.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the
As you
So
can,
here we are. Please, Sibu, continue.
as you can see, guys, after trekking for so long, we have came to a viewpoint, the most fascinating viewpoint in Lepchaka. Let's come and enjoy the moment together. Let's show you the viewpoint. Enjoy it, bro.
এখানে ভিউ পয়েন্ট বলছে রে ওই আগের দিন মনে আছে ইন্দ্রশঙ্কর থাপা বলে একজন ইয়ের বলেছিল গাইড কালচারাল ইয়ে
So, guys, here we are after a very hilly trek. It was very steep. So, as you can see, this is a viewpoint, and I guess one of the most fascinating viewpoints in Lepchaka. If you ever visit, please do take a detour and come this way. It's a narrow road. You have to make a steep climb over the hill, and you can really cherish this moment with your friends, with your families. You can make this climb and you can see the view for yourselves. As you can see, it's a wonderful, it's a mesmerizing view between the clouds. You can see the clouds passing by out here. Not so dense, but it will get denser as evening rolls in. We are currently, the time out here is 12:20. You can see it's midday. It's past midday, but still you can see that the clouds are passing by. It's getting foggy. So this was the view, and this is the view we worked hard for. We made a steep climb. This is it. Enjoy the view when you watch this video. If you do watch this video, do enjoy this view. It's a beautiful place in North Bengal.
Probably one of the most fascinating viewpoint you will ever see in your life. You just look at the mountains, just look at the clouds. A trip towards remembering it. You can enjoy it with anyone, with your loved ones, with your family, with your closed ones. Let's enjoy the video. Let's enjoy the moment.
So that is it, guys.
Till then,
We will see you in the next checkpoint.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
hello guys, so we are back after taking the detour. We were striving from hunger, and now we have come to a place, and now we are having Wi-Fi, and let's take a review from all of them. That's how's the food. Let's take it from Rishabh Das.
It's nice. It's actually nice. The Wi-Fi is quite tasty, unlike what we get in the plains. It's very nice to see that out here in such a secluded place. The food quality in the hilly sides, in edges of hills, it's so good. It's amazing to taste such food which we don't get in the plains.
Now let's hear a review from Shri Banik. He's the food loving guy over here.
Hey everybody, it's really great to be honest. And as my friend has said, we are all hungry right now. And when you are hungry,
Grab a Snickers.
grab a Snickers, or as they say, grab a Wi-Fi. Bye.
Nobody says.
And let's say it from short and simple from both of them. Goodbye, I'm busy right now.
Hi.
Hello guys, as you can see, we are just 1 kilometer away from the 0 point, and we are heading towards Alipurdwar Junction. This is the first viewpoint which you will see when you cross the 0 point out over here after a kilometer. Let's come and watch the viewpoint from over here. Everything will be discussed later on. Let's enjoy the viewpoint.
সপ্তর্ষি এদিকে
অন্ধকার আছে, আলো চাই।
আরে না, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, তো আমি কি আমরা বুঝি না। বেশ, মন্দির আওয়াজ শোন, মন্দির আওয়াজ শোন।
Run.
নোট বাবা, এটা অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট আছে। ওই টানিস না মা। আরে গিনগিন रोक ले तू। ओ हो
কেটে থাকবে
भूस के ढेर में राई का दाना, रंग बिरंगा बैल सयाना। अरे भूस के ढेर में राई का दाना, रंग बिरंगा बैल सयाना। तुझे पहर में टूटता तारा, पानी पे गिरता पक्का पारा ना। जग है तो उड़ गई है जग है तो अरे तोप उड़ गई है जग है तो हाथ दोनों है तोड़ा सब हाथ ताली माना गई है नाले ना।
আমরা এই শেষ করলাম আমাদের লেপচাকা ট্রেক। খুবই সুন্দর জায়গা ছিল, আমরা ঘুরেছি, দুদিন থেকেছি ওখানে। দারুণ জায়গা, আপনারা জায়গাটা দেখতেই পাবেন সুন্দর কতখানি। যখন আপনারা এখানে আসবেন নিজের থেকে সেটার অনুভূতি করতে পারবেন। নাইলে আমাদের এই ছোট্ট প্রথম ভ্লগের প্রচেষ্টা, যেখানে আপনারা দেখতেই পাবেন যে জায়গাটা কতটা সুন্দর। তবে যেহেতু সব সুন্দর জায়গায় যাওয়ার আগে একটু খাটনি করতে হয়, একটু কষ্ট উঠাতে হয়, সেই জন্য লেপচাখার রাস্তাও সেরকমই, প্রচণ্ড খাটনি করে উঠতে হবে। রাস্তা ভাঙাচোরা, পাহাড়ি রাস্তা, প্রচণ্ড খাটনি করে যেতে হবে আপনাদেরকে। কিন্তু একবার পৌঁছে যাওয়ার পরে খুবই সুন্দর জায়গা। আপনারা সব ক্লান্তি চিন্তা সব ভুলে গিয়ে এখানে এসে আপনারা খুবভাবে আনন্দ করতে পারবেন। বন্ধু বান্ধব পরিবার সবাইকে নিয়ে আসতে পারবেন এখানে। খুবই সুন্দর জায়গা। শিবু?
So guys, the journey of the Lepchaka ends over here, but the journey of life continues. Let's meet you with you all in the another vlog, and for now let's cherish the moments what we have gathered within 2 days, and let us celebrate together with this song. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo!
तेरी मैं ता जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावा अखियां विचों आउंदियां बरसातां नूं सारे गिन याद च तेरी मैं ता जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावा अखियां विचों आउंदियां बरसातां नूं।